cannot be lie. No, I'll stress you there.
Baba, wait.
I'll stress you there.
Baba,
You can't accuse me, but yeah.
Wait. This is your boy Dorothe Awilo again. This matter no be here. This video issue, you have risky, you understand. This is Delta State. They say there's a one native doctor here. Like something happened and the native doctor say this guy never do this thing, so they banned the guy from the village. And the guy called me. I have talked to him one on one. And this guy say he never do this thing. So today I want to prank that native doctor. I want to know if he's a real native doctor. That's the reason I travel all the way from Lagos to Delta State. And they say the man is very powerful. So this is village. I never locate the place yet, but this is village. If I can see someone to direct me. Hello, hey, good evening.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Are you based on this village?
Yes, sir.
There's a one native doctor here they find. Um, Ike.
Okay, KBD.
Yes, you guess. Do you know a place?
Yes, when you move front,
Yeah.
you go to the left. We see him there.
Remind me that name again.
KBD.
Ikebede. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See, this sign. This is the place. But I don't want this man to know say I'm doing second. Let me hide my face. God, I beg help me. Help me. Why my mind is shaking? God, I beg help me. Let's go. Hello. Hello.
My son,
Sir.
what happened?
Good evening, sir.
Evening, my son. Why can't you call this side?
I have some problem, sir.
You are called the right place.
Thank you, sir.
So there's solution.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. This house is it.
Thank you, sir.
So what's your problem? Hey, Toya. What happened? What happened? Yeah, brother. Koyo, Toya. What is the apple? Yeah. I see something apple.
Yes, something happened. Let me find you come.
Okay. Don't really see what apple.
Baba. I wake up, I don't see my car for my compound. My money. Piam. I don't see my money. I get one girl, my girlfriend, where I did like 5 years. Then that's why they come out. So I don't know who they behind all this, Baba. Let me find you come today.
Thank you, my son. You come to the right place, you will see the solution.
Thank you, sir.
So the problem is you have a friend. Hey, Toyo. You have a friend where they call Ima.
Ima,
they sleep with your girl.
hey!
And your friend, your brother, you collect your money and your car.
My brother.
Yes.
My brother, my own brother.
Your own brother. I took your motor, I collect your money.
Baba, thank you.
No problem.
But Baba, you sure say this way you talk na real?
Na rich people they come for Jamaica, they come for England, they come for Cotonou, they come for Lagos. You don't even play to here. And I have solution.
And this vision wey you see really clear.
Really clear.
Baba, I travel all the way from Lagos to come and find out. They say you strong well.
Yes.
But this way you talking, Baba, no vessel. You lie.
Cannot be lie. No, Baba, I'll stress you there.
Baba, wait.
I'll stress you there.
Baba,
You can't accuse me, but yeah.
Wait. I not lost anything, no. My car not lost. Even this girlfriend, she don't born for me. My money. See, Emmanuel is my friend. If I say the car lost now, that's why I go fight Emmanuel. Something we don't even know. Why they lie, Baba? You say you go shut me down, you go kill me. You.
I'll kill you.
You know,
I'll kill you now.
Baba,
I'll kill you now.
you know the see
I'll
vision.
kill
You know
you.
the see vision.
I'll
You know the see
drag you
vision.
down.
You know if you
I'll
do
kill
anything. You
you.
know if you do anything. You know if you do anything, Baba. You know the see vision. Men are stop this lie. I know the real good people of native daughter than they, but most of now they do scam. Why they lie? Say my friend is sleep with my girlfriend. Baba, this vision not clear now. Why they lie?
Boss, many
If
people
they
they
lie,
come this way.
forget.
And there's no solution for you.
If many people
If
they
it
come,
is in
that's
my
why they
back,
lie.
I will drag you
You don't
down.
do anything,
I will
Baba.
kill
I
you.
beg. You don't do anything. Come out. Now so now go they lie up and down all the way from Lagos. And see, wetin I dey tell now be this. The real good native doctor they full everywhere. And I saw the scam dey everywhere too. You understand? This thing happen, they pursue this man comot for the community because one native doctor say the guy na thief and then pursue the guy and the family comot. And this is the man that do this thing. So I need to travel all the way from Lagos to Delta State to go and prank this man. You see wetin they tell me? Nothing lost for my house. My girlfriend there, okay, she born for me already. You understand? All this is a lie. Then I beg, all these people they believe I no good one day, but I think find out, see wetin they tell me. He say my brother, my own brother, na him thief my car, na him thief my money. If I say really, this thing then lost now, na so I go dey fight my brother. It's no good now, it's no good. It's not good. I beg, put your comment. You don't see everything wetin happen now. I'm going back. Put your comment. I beg, wetin dey happen?